Hi viewers, welcome back. Till now we have learned future simple, future continuous and future perfect tense. Now let's learn future perfect continuous tense. Please do watch my video till the end. If you didn't watch my previous videos, links are in the description box. Please do watch, share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, let's see what is future perfect continuous tense. It denotes the actions that are going to extended at specific time in the future. Okay, means we use this tense to talk about an ongoing action that will be in progress in future and also mention the duration or length of that action at a particular time. Let's see the structure of it. Subject, will or shall, have been, V1 ing form plus object. Okay, see here. By next month, I will have been working here for 10 years. Means in this sentence, the action of working might be started in the past. It will have been continuing at specific time in the future. Okay, here was the fixed time, specific time mentioned here by next month. Might be the action started 10 years ago. Okay, it will have been, the action will have been continuing at a specific time in the future till the next month. In this case, we can use future perfect continuous tense. We use the future perfect continuous tense to express the actions that are ongoing at a particular time, at a specific time in the future. Those actions are continuing at a specific time in the future. It also expresses the duration of the time. Let's see another example. By August, he will have been saving money for 3 months. Here, the action of saving money. Okay, his action of saving money started in the past. Maybe it started in the past 3 months ago and it will have been continuing at a specific time. Okay, what's the specific time here mentioned? August. What's the duration of the time? 3 months. Let's understand with the example. She will have been learning music for 2 years by the end of April. Okay, here the action of learning music started 2 years ago and she will have been learning that music, okay, at a specific time in the future. The action will have been continuing at a specific time in the future. What's the specific time mentioned here? By the end of April. Okay, this future perfect continuous tense is used for the ongoing actions that will be in progress in future and also mention the duration or length of that action at a particular time. If you see here, V1 ing form. We used the V1 ing form here in this sentence. What's the V1 ing form? Working. Okay, this is also called as V4. What's the base form of it? Work. From base form, we can take this V4. Okay, base form is work. In the next sentence, saving. What's the base form? Save. In the final third sentence, V4 is learning. What's the base form of it? Learn. Now let us see how to frame affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences in future perfect continuous tense. Okay, the first one affirmative, subject, will or shall, have been, V1 ing form or V4 plus object. Ravi will have been reading newspaper for 2 hours by 10 a.m. I will have been working in this company for 3 years by next year. Let's see negative. In the negative sentence, we add not. Okay. subject plus will or shall not plus have been plus V4 plus object. Ravi will not have been reading newspaper for 2 years by 10 a.m. Okay, it is like affirmative only, but only the extra word we added is here not. Why? It gives the negative sense. That's why we use the word not here. I will not have been working in this company for 3 years by next year. Now let's see the interrogative. In the interrogative sentence, we place the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then have been plus V1 ing form, then object. At last we must put question mark. Will Ravi have been reading newspaper for 2 years by 10 a.m.? Will I have been working in this company for 3 years by next year? Okay. This is the way to frame affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences in future perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let's see a test on future tense. First one, I promise I blank not tell your secret. Here the structure of future simple is subject plus will or shall plus V1. That's why the answer is I will not tell your secret. Next one, I blank go to cinema tomorrow. Future simple. Okay, what's the structure? Will or shall plus V1. I will go. Next one, by next week I blank finish this work. Future perfect tense. Okay, what's the structure of this? Will or shall plus have plus V3. By next week I will have finished. Here the base verb is, base form is finish. V3 is finished. That's why I will have finished. Next one, I blank live here for 1 year by next week. Future perfect continuous. How can we say in future perfect continuous? I will have been living. Okay. Will or shall plus have been plus V4. Here base form is live. That's why V4 is living. Next, I blank complete the report by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Future perfect. I will have completed. V3 of complete is completed. Next, what you do before dinner? Future perfect continuous. How can we write? What will you have been doing before dinner? Next, he dash not finish the cleaning by the time she gets home. Future perfect. He will have not finished. Okay. Future perfect. What's the structure? Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. Here V3 of finish is finished. Finish, finished, finished. He will have not finished. Next, she blank take her car to the party. We have to write it in future continuous. What's the structure? Subject plus will or shall plus be plus V1 ing form. She will be taking her car to the party. Take is the base verb. That's why V4 is taking. She will be taking her car to the party. Next one. It blank rain in Scotland next week. Future continuous. How can we say in future continuous? Subject plus will or shall be plus V1 ing form or V4. It will be raining in Scotland next week. Next one, they blank able to arrive on time. Future simple. Will plus will or shall plus V1. Here was the verb given arrive. Arrive is in V1. That's why they will arrive. They will able to arrive on time. Okay. I hope you understood the topic future tense. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will meet with the topic articles. Here we have completed the topic tenses. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.